Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we have a Dodge Challenger 2018 and we're going to show you how to replace your master window switch. See, this one is a problem. It goes down but it doesn't go up. It's broken, right? So that switch doesn't work. This one goes down, this one goes up. Well, to take this out is very easily. You can get a screwdriver or something and wedge it under here and then pull up really hard. You can do it with your hand just like that. Pull it out and you can unplug it from the back. So the way you unplug it is you press the tab right here and then you pull out and it's going to come right off. Okay, the installation is the same procedure in reverse. So let's go ahead and grab the new part and let's install it. Alright, so here we have the upgraded switch. Now we're going to flip it around and we're going to plug it in just like we did the other one. When we unplugged it, we're going to do it in reverse. Make sure it clicks. There we go. Now slide it back and push down on it. Boom. Done deal. Lock and unlock, it works. And then the windows go up and down. Both buttons fixed. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Keep these videos coming.